In this video, I'm about to show you how to get 5 free Legendary Star Drops on Brawl Stars. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you can give a thumbs up in Brawl Stars community event for a chance to win 5 Legendary Star Brawls. The Legendary Star Drops in Brawl Stars are highly coveted prizes that may include a trove of valuable in-game items such as coins and power points. So the recent community event Thumbs Up for Brawl has been designed to amplify the excitement for players by offering an extraordinary incentive participants stand to gain an impressive reward of 5 Legendary Star Drops, a prize that is not only rare but also highly sought after within the Brawl Stars community. So go ahead, go to the Thumbs Up for Brawl community and then sign up. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.